I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open your photo text editor and create a new canvas at 300 dpi. Choose canvas dimensions like 1920 by 1080 and set 10px margins. Import the image you want to edit and position it on the background layer. Lock that background layer so you do not move it accidentally. Create a new text layer above the image to keep edits non-destructive. Name layers clearly, for example heading and caption, to stay organized. Enable grid or guides to help align text precisely on the canvas. Select the new text layer and type your copy directly onto the canvas. Choose a font and size, for example Arial 48 PT, to set baseline appearance. Adjust tracking and leading to control letter and line spacing for legibility. Reduce text opacity to 75% if you want subtle overlays on busy images. Add a drop shadow or stroke at 5px to improve contrast and readability. Use color contrast tools to ensure text meets clarity goals against the background. Group related text layers for easier bulk edits and alignment later. When you finish editing, save an editable project file to preserve layers and text. Export a flattened PNG for web or a high-quality JPEG for photographic prints at 300 dpi. Choose PNG if you need transparency or sharp text edges for overlays. For printing, include a 125-inch bleed and check final margins before export. Name files clearly, for example poster final v2. PNG to track revisions efficiently. Keep a copy with editable fonts embedded or outlined in case recipients lack fonts. Back up your project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.